Capybaras might look calm and predictable, but the truth is, they behave in ways that leave even experts scratching their heads. This gentle giant of the rodent world has a list of surprising quirks that science still struggles to fully understand. Some of these behaviors seem adorable, others bizarre, and a few feel almost unbelievable. But together, they reveal just how strange and fascinating capybaras really are. Today, we're covering the top 10 things capybaras do that scientists still can't explain. At number 10 stands their unusual habit of befriending almost any species they encounter. Capybaras have been seen relaxing with cats, monkeys, birds, dogs, and even crocodiles without fear. Scientists are puzzled by how they form cross-species friendships so easily and so often. Some believe their calm nature lowers aggression in other animals, but there's no definitive explanation. But the next behavior gets even stranger. At number 9 lies the mystery of their near unshakable chill in dangerous environments. Capybaras rarely panic, even when predators are nearby or loud disruptions happen around them. Researchers suspect a unique stress response system, but its details remain unclear. Their slow heartbeat and relaxed posture only deepen the mystery. Yet things get even more interesting when we look underwater. At number 8 rises their ability to hold their breath far longer than expected for their size. Capybaras can stay submerged for up to 5 minutes while barely moving. This is unusually long for a rodent and doesn't match typical mammalian breathing patterns. Scientists still don't fully understand how they accomplish it so effortlessly. But this next one adds a whole new layer of curiosity. Coming in at number 7 is their instinct to sit in hot springs for hours like tiny spa-loving philosophers. In Japan, entire capybara bath facilities exist because they naturally seek out warm water. Researchers still debate why they enjoy these baths so much beyond basic temperature regulation. Some think it's social bonding, while others think it calms their nervous system. However, the next behavior goes from relaxing to surprisingly artistic. At number 6 stands their perfectly coordinated capybara stacking behavior. These animals will casually sit on top of each other in small towers with no clear purpose. Scientists have yet to determine whether this is warmth-related, dominance-related, or just pure capybara fun. It remains one of the most light-hearted mysteries in the animal kingdom. But the weirdness is only rising from here. At number 5 lies their habit of letting birds groom them with incredible trust. Capybaras sit still while birds pick insects from their fur, but the relaxation they show is unusual. Most animals show at least some alertness during grooming, but capybaras nearly fall asleep. Researchers wonder how they evolved such deep trust in completely different species. But the next one pushes things into truly puzzling territory. At number 4 rises their ability to memorize enormous social group structures. Capybaras live in herds with complicated hierarchies, yet they remember every relationship. They navigate alliances, tensions, and friendships with surprising accuracy for rodents. Scientists still can't explain the cognitive mechanisms behind this strong social intelligence. However, the next behavior is even more unexpected. At number 3 stands their tendency to freeze completely still for long periods. They can remain motionless, even when touched or surrounded by activity. Researchers aren't certain whether this is a survival instinct or a relaxation technique. What's strange is that capybaras remain fully aware, yet choose not to respond. But now, we enter the top 2 mysteries. At number 2 lies their ability to communicate with a near language-like system of chirps, barks, and whistles. Capybaras use these sounds to signal warnings, greetings, emotions, and group coordination. Scientists know the calls are meaningful but haven't cracked the full capybara code. Their vocal communication may be far more advanced than expected for their species, but the number 1 mystery outshines them all. At number 1 rises their uncanny ability to stay calm in the presence of apex predators. Capybaras have been filmed relaxing beside caimans and jaguars with shocking composure. Scientists still cannot explain how they avoid triggering aggressive responses from these predators. Some think their energy is so neutral that it disrupts predator instincts, but this is still unproven. Whatever the reason, it remains the most astonishing capybara behavior known. Which one surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.